Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, you guys have to just tap on the plus button, which is bottom in the mid side, or you guys can tap on your profile icon, which is on below right corner. So after tapping on your profile here, you guys will be able to see the plus button which is at the left side of options button, which is horizontal lines. So after tapping on that plus button, you guys have to just tap on the post, which is second option. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to select the post which you want to upload. So if you want to select many posts at a time, so you guys have to just select this option. It enables you to select multiple posts. So after selecting the multiple posts, you guys have to just tap on the next, which is on top right corner. So after tapping on next, here you guys can edit all the posts simultaneously or individually by tapping on the specific post, or by generally you guys can add filters, or specifically you guys can edit any of the video. So after tapping on done, you guys have to just click on next, and here you guys have to just simply add the caption of the post which you want to upload. So after adding the caption, you guys can also add hashtags for social media engagement, or you can find relative content, or you guys can add location to your post by selecting the location. It also increase engagement of your post, or you guys can also tag people by tapping on this and select the person you want to tag. And you guys can also add reminders. If you have connected your social media profiles to Instagram, you guys can directly post on those platforms also through Instagram. So that's all for today guys, hope you would really like it. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.